In the wide-ranging interview with DW's editor-in-chief Enos Pohl, Khan spelled out his position on two places currently experiencing significant turmoil. Pakistan's neighbour Iran is vying for influence in the Gulf with Saudi Arabia. Tensions between the two have been simmering for years. The assassination of the top Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani this month by the US brought the region to the brink of conflict. Khan says Pakistan would be caught between the two countries if Iran and Saudi Arabia went to war.
We live in a tough neighborhood. We have issues, balancing act, because we have, for instance, Saudi Arabia, which is one of Pakistan's greatest friends, always been a friend in need for us. And then we have Iran, which is a neighbor, and we have always had good relationship with Iran. So the conflict between Saudi Arabia and Iran is something which for Pakistan would be disastrous if it went into some sort of a military conflict.
Khan also spoke about Pakistan's relations with India, which have worsened over the past year because of the Himalayan region of Kashmir. Kashmir is claimed by both countries and has a Muslim majority population. Both Pakistan and India control large parts of the region. Islamabad and Delhi have gone to war over Kashmir twice in the past. Last year, India revoked the autonomous status of the part it controls. It shut down communications, ramped up security and imposed curfews. Critics say the goal was to suppress the area's separatist movement. India said it was securing its territorial integrity. Khan wants both parts of Kashmir to hold a referendum on their future.
Let them decide what they want to do. Pakistan is all ready to give them the right of, through a referendum or a plebiscite, let them decide whether they want to remain with Pakistan or whether they want to be independent. We're all for it.
Iran and Kashmir, two potential flashpoints that look set to overshadow Pakistan and southern Asia in the coming months.